Welcome, dear children. In this video session, you're going to learn Unit 1 Supplementary Reader, The Two Pigeons. First, let us listen to the gist of the story and then briefly. Once in the forest, there lived two white pigeons, a cock pigeon and a hen pigeon, and they were friends. They spent their days together looking for food, singing and dancing. During afternoons, they would rest on their favorite tree. At night time, they would lock their wings and sleep. They were very happy in the forest. One day, it was raining heavily in the forest. It was a rainy day. The animals in the forest ran to their home. Likewise, the hen pigeon went to her nest as well, and she started waiting for the cock pigeon. The rain continued to pour heavily and it was getting dark. The hen pigeon is very upset and started to worry about her friend. At the same time, the cock pigeon thought that he could go when the rain gets stopped. Actually, the cock pigeon did not know that there was a bird catcher nearby. The bird catcher silently reached near the pigeon. The pigeon tried to fly but failed. The bird catcher caught the pigeon and put in his cage. The pigeon tried to escape but in vain. The cock pigeon was tensed and fainted. The hunter felt happy and walked fast to reach home soon before the rain gets heavy. He moved fast. But it started to rain heavily in the forest, so the bird catcher went near the tree. Just then, the hen pigeon saw the bird catcher coming near the tree with the cage. The hen pigeon came down to the nearest branch in fear that it should not be her friend, that is, cock pigeon. But unfortunately, it was the cock pigeon in the cage. The hen pigeon felt very sad. She thought to help her friend in any way. The bird catcher took shelter under the tree. Soon the rain stopped, but it was too dark and late in the night. So he decided to stay there in the forest and leave in the morning. It was a wet and cold night, so he wanted fire to keep himself warm. He searched for dry twigs, but he couldn't get it. Meanwhile, the cock pigeon woke up in the cage and tried to fly, but it failed. The hen pigeon started to cry, but the cock pigeon from inside the cage consoled her. "Don't feel sad, dear. We have a guest now. Look at the man. He is shivering and hungry. He needs your help." And so he said to her to help him. The hen pigeon flew in search of dry twigs and got 2 or 3 twigs at a time and made a big heap of dry twigs. She also got flint stones for the bird catcher to start the fire in order to make himself warm, since it was a wet and cold night. The bird catcher was surprised by the hen pigeon. Then he made fire with the dry twigs using flint stones. I have no food to give you, so I will fall into this burning fire. You can eat me, said the hen pigeon. The bird catcher was amazed at this extreme love. He caught the hen pigeon and stopped her from jumping into the fire. Oh, kind bird, tell me what you want and I will help you in any way I can, said the bird catcher. Please leave my friend who is inside your cage. My life would be meaningless without him, replied the hen pigeon. The bird catcher opened the cage and set the bird free, that is, cock pigeon. I was cruel and selfish. I will never trap any bird again, said the bird catcher. Then he stayed the night there. Next day morning, the pigeons got him nuts, fruits, and seeds to eat. The bird catcher thanked the pigeons and walked away. Let us read The Two Pigeons. Once there lived two white pigeons. They were friends. They spent their days looking for food. During afternoons, they would rest on their favorite tree in the forest. Then they would sing and dance. Soon it would be night. They would lock their wings and sleep. Children, once in the forest, there lived two white pigeons. They were friends. They spent their days together searching for food, singing, and dancing. During afternoon time, they would rest in their favorite tree, and during night time, they would lock their wings and sleep. One day, it was raining heavily in the forest. The animals ran to their home. So did one of the hen pigeons. She ruffled her feathers and shook her body to remove the water. She adjusted her wings and perched on the tree and started waiting for the cock pigeon. The rain continued to pour heavily and it was getting dark. She started to worry for her friend. He's never so late. I hope he is safe, she whispered to herself. Children, one day it was raining heavily in the forest. அதிகமான மழை. The animals ran to their home. Likewise, hen pigeon also ran to their tree. She shook her body and removed the water from her body. She adjusted her wings and perched on the tree. Children, what is perched? Perched means rest on something. She started waiting for the cock pigeon. The rain continued to pour heavily and it was getting dark. But her friend did not return home. She was very much worried and whispered herself. Children, what is mean by whispered? Speak very softly. ரொம்ப மெதுவா பேசுறது. She whispered that he was never late before. She hoped that he was safe. Next paragraph. Ah, the rain is heavy. Let me wait in this tree till it stops, thought the cock pigeon and perched on a tree. He did not know there was a bird catcher nearby. The bird catcher silently reached near the pigeon and clamped. He had caught the pigeon. The pigeon tried to fly and flutter in vain. The cock pigeon was tensed and fainted. The hunter put the pigeon in his cage and started to walk home. I should be home before the rain increases, he thought to himself. Children, meanwhile, the cock pigeon in other tree thought the rain is heavy and can wait in this tree till it stops. He did not know that there was a bird catcher nearby watching him. The bird catcher slowly went near the pigeon and clamped. Clamped means irikka பிடிக்கிறார். அந்த புறாவை இறுக்கி பிடிக்கிறார். He had caught the pigeon. The pigeon tried to fly, but it failed. It was tensed and soon fainted. Fainted means மயக்கமாயிடுச்சு. The hunter put the pigeon in his cage and started to walk home. He thought that he should be home before the rain increases. It started to rain heavily. Just then, the hen pigeon saw a bird catcher coming near the tree. In the cage, he had the cock pigeon. It was unconscious. Fear gripped the hen pigeon. Was it her friend? The bird catcher near the tree. She had to hide, but she also wanted a closer look to see if it was her friend. She flew down to the lowest branch. Oh no, it is him. What shall I do now? I have to help my friend, worried the hen pigeon. The sky thundered and the bird catcher took cover under her tree. Looks like I have to wait till the rain stops, said the bird catcher. Children, but it started to rain heavily, so the bird catcher took shelter under the tree. Just then, hen pigeon saw the bird catcher with the cage. It was none other than the cock pigeon. It was unconscious. Unconscious means mayakama. The bird catcher near the tree. The hen pigeon wanted to hide herself. At the same time, she wanted to have closer look whether it is her friend. With fear, she flew to the lowest branch and found that it was her friend cock pigeon. She worried badly. At the same time, she wanted to help him. The bird catcher waited under the tree and thought that he has to wait till the rain stops. Next paragraph. Soon it stopped raining. The bird catcher wanted to leave, but it was too dark and late in the night. I will camp here for the night and leave in the morning, he thought. It was a wet and cold night, and he wanted to start a fire to keep himself warm. He could not find any dry twigs. The pigeon in the cage woke up and tried to fly, only for his wings to hit the cage. Children, soon the rain stopped. The bird catcher wanted to leave, but it was too dark and late night, so he decided to stay there. Since it was a wet and cold night, he wanted fire to keep himself warm. He couldn't get any dry twigs. Meanwhile, the pigeon inside the cage woke up and again tried to fly, but he failed. The hen pigeon started to cry. Her friend said, "Do not feel sad, dear. We have a guest now. The man is shivering and hungry. He needs your help. The pigeon flew from the tree in search of dry twigs. She got 2 or 3 twigs at a time and made a big heap of dry twigs. She got flint stones for the bird catcher to start the fire. The bird catcher was surprised by the hen pigeon. He made fire. "You're my guest. I have no food to give you. I'll jump into this fire so that you can eat me." The bird catcher was overwhelmed by the hospitality of the pigeon. He caught the hen pigeon and stopped her from jumping into the fire. "Oh, kind bird, what do you want? I will help you in any way I can," said the bird catcher. "Please set my friend free. My life will be meaningless without him," replied the pigeon. So listen, children. The hen pigeon started to cry from the tree. Her friend from inside the cage said, "Don't feel sad, dear. We have a guest now. We have to take care and treat him. Look at him. He is shivering due to cold and he feels hungry. So he needs your help." So the hen pigeon flew in search of dry twigs and got 2 to 3 twigs at a time and made a big heap of dry twigs. Heap of dry twigs means அந்த காஞ்சு போன குச்சி எடுத்துட்டு வந்து ஒரு குவியல் மாதிரி சேர்த்து வைக்கிறாங்க. She also got flint stones to start the fire. What is mean by flint stones? Chikki mukkikal. It is used to produce fire. The bird catcher was surprised and he made fire. The hen pigeon said, "You're my guest. I have no food to give you, so I'll jump into the fire so that you can eat me." The bird catcher was overwhelmed by the hospitality of the pigeon. Overwhelmed அப்படின்னா அந்த அதீத அன்பை பார்த்து அவர் ரொம்ப ஆச்சரியப்படுறார். He stopped the hen pigeon and stopped her from jumping into the fire. "Oh, kind bird, what do you want? I'll help you in any way." நான் உனக்கு எந்த விதத்தில் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்கிறேன், நான் உனக்கு என்ன ஹெல்ப்னாலும் பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாரு. I said the bird catcher. The hen pigeon said, "Please set my friend free. My life would be meaningless without my friend." என் ஃப்ரெண்ட் இல்லாத ஒரு லைஃப்பை என்னால் யோசிச்சு கூட பார்க்க முடியல. ஸோ நீங்கள் என் ஃப்ரெண்டை வந்து அந்த கேஜ்லேருந்து எப்படியாவது விட்டுருங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறான். லாஸ்ட் பேராகிராஃப். He opened the cage and set the pigeon free. "I was cruel and selfish. I will never trap any bird again," said the bird catcher. He stayed the night there. In the morning, the pigeons got him nuts, fruits, and seeds to eat. The bird catcher thanked the pigeons and walked away. So children, the bird catcher opened the cage and set the pigeon free. சொன்ன மாதிரியே அந்த கூண்டை திறந்து அந்த பீஜனை ஃப்ரீயாக விட்டுடுறாரு. He felt very bad for being so cruel and selfish. நம்ம இவ்வளோ க்ரூவலாக ஒரு கடுமையானவராக, செல்ஃபிஷ் மீன்ஸ் இவ்வளோ ஒரு சுயநலமாக இருந்துட்டுமே நினச்சி அவர் ரொம்ப ஃபீல் பண்ணுறாரு. He said that he will not trap any bird again. நான் இனி உன்னை மட்டும் இல்லை, இனி எந்த பேர்டையும் நான் பிடிச்சி கூண்டில் போட மாட்டேன் அப்படின்னு அவர் சொல்கிறாரு. He stayed the night and in the morning the pigeons got him some nuts, seeds and fruits to eat. The bird catcher thanked the pigeon and walked away. ஸோ அந்த ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் நட்ஸ் எல்லாம் அவர் சாப்பிட்டுட்டு அவர் அந்த பீஜன்ஸ்க்கு தேங்க் பண்ணிவிட்டு he walked away. Let us understand. Write true or false. First one, the pigeon started to worry for her friend. What is the right answer? Yes, true. Next one, they would rest on the tree. What is the answer? Yes, it is true. Next one, the bird catcher's clothes were dry. Is it dry? No. So it is false. Next one, the pigeon flew away for dry twigs. Is it true? Yes. Next one. The bird catcher let the pigeon jump into the fire. Did he let? No. So it is false. Let us understand first Roman, fill in the blanks. The pigeon returned home when it started to dash. What is answer? Rain. Next one. The bird catcher had a pigeon in his dash cage. The bird catcher decided to sit under the dash. Where he decided? Tree. Next one. The hen pigeon got dry dash for the bird catcher. What is answer? Yes, dry twigs. So the answers are rain, cage, tree and twigs. Identify the character or the speaker. You have to identify the speaker. First one, I hope he is safe. Who is the speaker here? Hen pigeon. Number 2, do not feel sad, dear. Cock pigeon. Next one, I will camp here for the night. Who is the speaker here? Yes, very good. Bird catcher. Next one, oh no, what shall I do now? Who is the speaker here? Yes, good. It is hen pigeon. Next one, I was cruel and selfish. Who is the speaker here? Yes, good. It is bird catcher. Answer the questions. Let us learn question and answers. Okay, first one. What did she whisper? What did she whisper? And the answer is, she whispered that her friend was never late and hoped that he was safe. Once again, what did she whisper? She whispered that her friend was never late and hoped that he was safe. Okay, next we'll move to the next second question. Second one, where did the bird catcher sit? And the answer is, the bird catcher sat under the tree. Once again, where did the bird catcher sit? The bird catcher sat under the tree. Next one, number 3. Why did the bird catcher need fire? The bird catcher needed fire to keep himself warm. Once again, why did the bird catcher need fire? The bird catcher needed fire to keep himself warm. Next one, number 4. Who is the guest? Who is the guest? The answer is, the bird catcher is the guest. Who is the guest? The bird catcher is the guest. Next one, number 5. What will you do if someone ensnares birds? And the answer is, If someone ensnares birds, I will ask them to free the birds. Once again, what will you do if someone ensnares birds? And the answer is, if someone ensnares birds, I will ask them to free the birds.